Question is the numbers x and y satisfy both of the equations. What is the value of x square minus y square? So first we do the add the equation number 1 and 2. So step 1, add equation 2 to equation 1. Let's see what we get. 977x plus 23y equal to 2977. And second equation is 23x plus 977y equal to 2023. So after adding this equation, what we will get? It become 1000x plus 1000y equal to 5000. Now again we try to simplify this equation. We take out 1000 multiply what is left x and here plus y equal to 5000. Now we divide it by 1000 on both sides. What is left? Here x plus y and it becomes 5. So this is our equation number 3. X plus y equal to 5. Step 2. We subtract equation 2 and 1. Equation 2 minus equation 1. So what is the equation 2? Is a 977x plus 23y equal to 2977. Equation 2 and equation 1 was 23x plus 977y equal to 2023. We subtract these two equations. What we get? 954x minus 954y equal to 954. Again, we make these equations simple. Take out 954 from this equation. So what is left? 955 into x here minus y equal to 954. Again, make it more simplified. We divided both sides by 954. So what is left? Here x minus 5 and here 1. So x minus 5 become 1. This is our equation number 4. So the question they ask, find the value of x square minus y square. So x square minus y is equal to x minus y into x plus y. So x minus y is equal to 1 and x plus y equation from 3 we get 5. So 1 into 5 equal to 5.